Hi friends, I am Vijan Jana. Welcome to our online classes. I hope all are be fine in your home. So today we will discuss social science in grade 6 for chapter 1, understanding diversity. So before going to discuss about understanding diversity, first we will discuss little bit about social science. What do you mean by social science? So social science means, what do you mean by social science? First of all, it is the study of society, political, economical, geographical, life is called social studies. Yes. So study of society, political, economical and geographical life is called social studies. In social studies, the first chapter is 6th standard is understanding diversity. So before going to study about more understanding the diversity, first we will discuss. So student, you look at around yourself. If you are in your home, if you are in class, if you are in market, just look around yourself and what do you see? Are other people are same, looks exactly like you? Yes or no? No, because all are different from each other. Their faces are different from your faces, their dress code, their style, their background, their culture, their religion, all are different from each other. So these all are comes under the diversity, means difference. So first we will introduction. So what do you mean by diversity? Okay. So look at the two pictures here. What do you observe? The both pictures are painted. See, both are not same. Here two children are there. Here 3-4 children are there. Even their dress code and their dresses, their haircut, hairstyle, and their colors are different from each other. So look, you compare with your face to other face. If you are staying in your home, if you are in your classroom, you just compare. Is your face is similar to other faces? No. So all these are the different from each other. So diversity, it means difference. What? Difference. Difference from each other. From each other. Okay. So diversity means it means difference from each other. It may be our dress code, it may be our face, it may be our color, it may be our background, it may be our culture, it may be our religion, it may be our region. So diversity makes difference from each other. If you are everyone, if you are an animal also and plant also and ourselves also human beings, so all are the different from each other. Yes or no? So student, so understanding diversity, to know about more, we will discuss about the what do you mean by diversity. It means difference from each other. Yes, it may be color, look, background, religion, so etc. are different from each other. Different from each other. Okay. So diversity means difference. Diversity means difference. Diversity. Diversity equal to difference. So diversity means difference. So difference from each other. Yes or no? So difference from each other. So difference from each other. So that is called diversity. Okay. So this is our introduction part. So now let us we come to know more about the diversity. For that we have to listen the story about two friends, that is making friends. Then how does the diversity added to our life? So this we are going to study. Everyone write down this. So write down what we are going to study. What we are going to study. First, what do you mean by diversity? The second one is making friends. Story of Samir, X and Samir दो. Okay. Third one is how does diversity to our lives. Okay. How does diversity add to our lives? So understood. First we are going to know what do we mean by diversity. Okay. So just now I said, note down everyone. You can take screenshot also. So what do you mean by diversity? So diversity means, just now before I said, we are not looks exactly same to others. We are all are different from each other according to our color, our hairstyle, our dressing, and our background, our religion, our regions. So we are different from each other. However, if you draw 2-3 figures, the all figures are not looks like same. How we draw the two figure here? You see, the both of figure are different from each other. Here 2-3 children are there. Here 2 children are there. So all children are different from each other according to their hairstyle, according to their color, their dresses, their background also. All are different from each other. So diversity telling that everyone are different from each other. So we wear different clothes, speak different languages, belongs to different culture background, religion and region. Yes or no? You think you are belongs to, if Karnataka, Odisha, Hyderabad, or someone is belongs to Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil or Srinagar, like this. So we will different types of religion, different belongs to culture, clothes, speaks different languages. Yes or no? If someone in your class talking in Kannada, other is talking in Odia, Hindi, English. So we are talking different in our country full of diversity. All are talking in different languages, not only one languages. So we all are wearing different clothes. If I am wearing full dress, someone is wearing half dress, and someone is like wearing other colorful dresses. So we all are different from each other. It may be their clothes, speaks languages, cultures, background. Someone is rich, someone is poor, someone is higher caste, someone is lower caste. Religion, someone is Hindu, someone is Muslim, and someone is region means someone is staying in Hyderabad, someone is staying in Bangalore, someone is staying in Calcutta. So like this, we are all are different from each other in different categories. So that is called diversity. So it means it is diversity. Okay, understood everybody? So to know more about the diversity, we should know about the story of two friends. That is our second part. Is called making friends. So is making friend. Making friend. Okay. In this title making friend, I will tell you a interesting fact, a story about two friends. That we will come to our story. See that picture. I think everyone can see properly. See, there is a traffic, there is a road. Two children are talking each other. So everything, the story is here only. So let me I tell you story one by one. So one day what happened in a traffic light, one children, small children like you, they are screaming very loudly, newspaper, both English and Hindi language. Yes or no? At the same time, someone is came like another children which came with the cycle and stopped and he asked newspaper. He paid money for Hindi newspaper. Suddenly, sellers who is selling newspaper is asking Hindi newspaper. He shocked and asked to another this boy. So what happened at the time the street light, you know, the traffic light suddenly it will be gone off, the red light, and they left each other. The line is clear, so they left each other. So next day what happened? They meet each other and they asked, do you know Hindi? Yes, of course I know Hindi. I can speak Hindi. I can write Hindi. Why not? Because in Hindi as a subject, what I have studied in our school. What do you mean by subject? What is subject? That boy is saying to that boy, subject. What do you mean by subject? At the same time, what happened? Suddenly the traffic light gone. Means off. You know, sometimes when our traffic line is off, everyone will be left their places because there's a rule and regulation and traffic line also be wait for only 1 minute or 2 minutes. The limiting time is for traffic line only 1 minute. So next day again they meet. He said, what do you mean by subject? That man who is buying the newspaper, that boy is telling, subject is nothing but something we have to study. That is called subject. Yeah. That boy is telling, oh, that is subject. Yes, I got it. So he said, you don't know what is subject. Have you ever been to school? He is asking, have you ever been to school? That boy is telling, no, I never gone to any school. He is telling why? Because I don't have so much money or to go and study. So he is telling, your What you are doing? He is telling, I am selling the newspaper every day. Before I was selling the newspaper with my mom, but now I can sell myself. So he is telling that by who is purchasing newspaper from him, he is telling, the cycleman is telling, okay. Like this, at the same time, the light power of means traffic light off, they left everyone each other. So next day again they meet. He is telling, brother, what is your name? That boy is asking what is your name. That boy is telling, no, my name is Samir. Samir. Suddenly he stopped and he said Samir, because who is Samir? He is telling, Samir is the Hanuman's father's name. So my parents kept one name like this. He said, yes, I am also Samir. They saw, they got interest in each other and they got pleasure and they handshake each other. So again that newspaper boy is telling, okay, from today onwards we are the friends, and you are that boy is telling, you are the Samir 1, I am the Samir 2. Means that Samir is 1, means 8, that Samir is 2, means 2. Okay. So again they make friends with each other, and he said, suddenly when that boy is putting her hand to his shoulder, suddenly he cried and he asked, why you are crying? Because he is telling, because my mother is not with me, and she is staying in Meerut, because there now situation is very critical, because some of the people being killed by some communal raiders. So he said, why the communal raiders is going on like that? They shoot each other. Suddenly again the traffic light gone. Okay. Next day when Samir came to that same road, he did not find out his friend Samir 2. Okay. So student, can anything identify from this story? Can anything conclude from this story? Because of two friends, Samir 1 and Samir 2. Yes, very good. Samir and Samir 1, first we identify Samir 1 is rich. He knows English and Hindi. He can speak, he can write Hindi or English, and he only knows English. He is a Hindu, he is a Muslim. So he is rich, he is a poor person. He is going to school, he is not going to school. So understood everybody? So now from this story we can conclude it. So how diversity plays in our life. After all also they are different from each other, they become a friend each other, they can make friend each other for their good sake. Yes or no? Because it is the diversity did not prevent them to make their friendship. Yes or no? After all they are friend each other. So we will discuss about difference between Samir 1 and Samir 2. Samir 1, Samir 2. Okay. Samir 1, that boy knows English and Hindi. Okay. Samir 2 knows only Hindi. He goes school. He does not go school. Okay, he does not go school. is a rich boy who is poor. Okay. He is Hindu. He is Muslim. Yes or no? So he is Hindu, he is Muslim. So like this, Samir Ek and Samir Do, they are both are different each other according to their language, according to their culture, according to their school, according to their background. So both are each other, but still they are friend each other. Understood everybody? So Samir Ek and Samir Do are different from each other according to their culture, background, languages, but still they are friend themselves. Okay. Not only our differences makes the diversity, it makes, we can talk about also the diversity makes the inequality. So what do you mean by, now we will study what do you mean by inequality. So again write down this. Again we will study about what do you mean by inequality. Inequality. Okay. So only difference will not diversity make the diversity. Diversity not only make the difference, diversity also make the inequality of a person. So inequality means it comes about of a person that does not have any source and opportunities to that other person. Okay, it comes about of a person that does not have any source and opportunity to that other person. Means if a person has, how we can conclude with it, we can modify it to Samir Ek and Samir Do. How Samir Ek has rich person, so he can go to school, but Samir Do does not have money, he cannot go to school. So like this, inequality also play because of the diversity, because diversity makes the difference, then difference makes the diversity, or diversity makes the inequality. Means one person different from the other person by according to their resources or opportunities. Means if I don't have money, I cannot go to higher education. If someone, my friends, if he has money, then he can go, or he or she can go to higher education. So like this. So our diversity, our background also play, our resource also play in inequality. That is comes under diversity. Okay, understood? Caste, again we can say caste system undergoes diversity. It is another example of diversity, or it is another example of inequality. How? You look at in your around, there are different types of caste are there, or higher caste like Brahmin or other who are the SC, ST. They before what they did, they are not tossed to other caste. Means who are the lower caste, they did not toss them, because they are higher caste like Brahmin or other persons are there, they will not toss to other lower caste which are SC, ST. So this also casteism also played inequality. Means it is also create inequality of a person or inequality of our society. So these things which comes under inequality. So like this. So before our society divided different groups according to their resources, according to their professions. Means some example I am giving. If someone is making potter, only they can think their children become a potter, because they will not go for other profession, because they is not suitable, they cannot to survive with other profession, because for this profession they are suitable, they can move towards this profession. So this also create a inequality of our society. So understood everybody? So now we will come to our third point. How does diversity added to our life? How does diversity added to our lives? Okay. So do you think, students, all friends are like Samir Ek and Samir Do? Are you thinking all friends are Samir Ek and Do? So no friends are like Samir Ek and Samir Do. So diversity. So diversity means difference. So we can, do you have friend like Samir Ek and Samir Do? First, difference equal to diversity. Means different peoples. Okay. Diversity, it comes under not only the looks like it comes diversity. It comes under food, culture, background, etc. Language, etc. Whatever I said before. So diversity comes under food, culture, background, etc. Food means, you think here in Karnataka you are eating basically chapati or sambar. In other places they are North Indian side they are basically eating non-veg. So culture, in the festival of Deepavali we are celebrating Deepavali. Muslims are celebrating their Eid. So different types of culture, food and background also are there. Regions and different types of festival. So these all are includes our diversity, that means difference. So you think now, imagine if all are looks the same. If all are looks same means if your face is looks like everyone's face is are same, becomes everyone will wear the different same dress. If everyone will eat same food, what will happen? You just think for 5 minutes or 5 days or some years we are living, we will wear same dress every day. We will eat every day same food. If you will looks everyone same, what will you observe? So student, that is inequality. How diversity is comes, it's divided, it creates inequality. Okay, so what is the inequality? Inequality comes about when a person does not have any resources and opportunity that are available to other person. Okay, that is called inequality, means not equal to other. For in case of their resources and opportunity. Okay, if I don't have much money, I cannot go for higher education. If my friend has more money, or if he or she is the richest person, then he can move for higher education. Yes or no? So inequality, it comes about when a person does not have any resources and opportunity that are available to other person. It create, means differences create inequality. How? Means he has money, I don't have money. So the difference is create inequality. We are not equal in our finance system or our background. Okay, for that we are divided into different category, means inequality. So difference, so diversity makes inequality. Okay, so understood. So also a caste system. You know, everybody, we are every all are living in a society. So there is a different types of caste system. So you know, many years or nowadays also it's happening. So who is higher casteism? They are not touched to other lower caste people, or they will not go to their home, their houses. They will not live with them. So because the caste system is another example of our inequality. So it is also makes difference between us. So caste system, if a person is a Brahmin, if another person is a SC or ST, they will not go to their homes, they will not live with them, because they will create a difference which create a caste system and which create inequality. So another example of inequality is caste system. Okay, so we also divided our society in different groups according to our different works what we are did. Okay, if some example, if some farmer is, if some person is a farmer, then their child will become a farmer, because they will not go for other profession. If a person is a potter, their child become a potter only, because they will not interested in other profession, because they will not agree, and society also not allow to them to do. Okay, so this system which create diversity, which makes difference, and difference makes can equality, inequality can make a caste system also. So these all are things are create inequality. Understood? So first diversity, first difference. Okay, first difference, then diversity. After difference, diversity is coming. How difference? Like faces, it may be face, it may be background, culture, religion, so whatever it may be, difference, then it becomes diversity, it makes inequality. Okay, not only the difference, it is also called diversity comes also inequality. So diversity makes inequality also. Okay, so just now I said what is inequality. So student, you think how this diversity and this difference and this inequality, how does the diversity add to our lives? Okay, how does our diversity add to our lives? Okay, so just now we will read this. So how does diversity, what does to our lives. Okay, so this is the main part. How does diversity add to our life? Okay, so now we will come to know how. First is one thing. Do you have friend like Samir, Ek, and Samir do? Okay, we have studied just before Samir Ek and Samir do. Do we have friends like Samir Ek and Samir do? Yes, we have also. Then difference will come. Yes or no? Difference equal to diversity. Okay, diversity. Difference means diversity. So diversity is comes under. It is not only its mean. It is terms of. So diversity in terms of food, house, clothes, religion. Religion means I am Hindu, I am Muslim. Religion means I am staying Karnataka places. Religion means places. Okay. Karnataka, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Odisha, Bangalore. So this is the region. Okay. In terms of food, houses, cloth, religion, culture, festivals. Yes or no? So first. Difference, diversity in terms of food, house, clothes, religion, region, culture, festivals. Okay, this in terms of this is our diversity. Means from everyone different from each other according to terms of food, house, culture, background, festivals, everything. So etc. Okay, difference. Understood? Now you just tell me. Is this difference, this diverse, it will be helpful for us, it gives happiness to us, yes or no? So before going to think about this, now just imagine if everyone looks same, if everyone looks like me, if everyone looks like you, or all things looks become same, and all if everyone wear, everyone eat same food, same dress, then what will happen? You might, did you think any time? No, we did not think about this. Just now if you think, if everyone looks like same, or everyone eat well, everyone wear the same dress, then what will happen? Is it give happiness to us? It is give a satisfaction life to us? It will create a good environment? No, because so you think if what you are eating every day, chapati rice day by day, you are alternating day, you are eating chapati, tomorrow rice, so like this you are different types of food, you are eating different types of clothes, you are eating, wearing. So these things if will not happen, if you will do same things repeatedly, means regularly, you will get bored or irritated with your environment. So environment looks in different way. Okay, where people will not satisfy, people who cannot live a satisfaction life, cannot get a happy life. Yes or no? You think how you are wearing, how you are eating, how you are walking, everyone does same according to you. What you will feel? So you will feel sometimes in different. Yes or no? So like this, you think. So diversity means difference means a different life, means a happiness life first. It creates a unique lifestyle to our environment. It gives a beautiful environment for which we can live happily with our life. Yes or no? So if another thing we say, think if a storyteller and a writer. Okay? Storyteller and writer. If they will give same story every day, same class. Today what I am teaching, understanding and diversity understanding. If I teach continuously 1 month, will you listen carefully? No, because same thing we will get both always repeating by this. So diversity, it concludes that diversity is needed for us, for our environment, for everyone. Difference is needed, but we should be celebrate our difference. We should be exist. We should be celebrate our exist. We should be welcome our diversity and difference, inequality, everything. Okay. So student, what do we conclude today? So first is we should celebrate our diversity. Okay, diversity. So we should celebrate our diversity. Okay, means our difference. Diversity gives a unique lifestyle. Okay, it makes our life as well as our environment beautiful. Yes or no? So diversity gives, we should celebrate our diversity. Okay, we should celebrate our diversity means difference, inequality. It gives a unique lifestyle. If your friends wear in different dress, we are wearing different dress. He is eating something or she is eating something. She is wearing different clothes. If she is celebrating different festival, we are celebrating different festival. So it makes our environment very interesting or unique. Yes or no? It makes our life as well as our environment beautiful. Yes or no? You think one celebration what we are celebrating in your society or in your country means at the time of Deepavali, Hindu will celebrate their Deepavali festival and Muslim they will celebrate their Eid or different kinds of culture they will celebrate. But how it will keep in your society? What will affect our society? It makes a beautiful culture or beautiful lifestyle because we are celebrating our. They are happy with us. We are happy with them. So we should. It is concluded that diversity should be needed our life. Difference should be needed. For that we can celebrate our existence. Okay. So thank you, student. I think all of you understood about our understanding diversity, what do you mean by diversity, and making friend, the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do, how they are different each other, but how they are become a friend for lifelong, and then we learn how does diversity add to our life. Okay, so diversity is needed to our life. We can celebrate our exist, our lifestyle, our environment, where we can live happily. So thank you, students. I hope everyone understood properly. If any doubt, any confusion, ask in my comment box. But everyone should read the books. Okay? Then you will get more information from books. So thank you, student. Thank you.